Hi, my name's Abbey and this is my sister Rebecca. On today's episode of Test Kitchen on Cooking with Abbey, we're going to be trying the papaya.
Papaya fruit!
Papaya.
It's so easy to say, papaya.
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 Whoa. Papaya
They're
down.
slippery.
Slippery. Slimy. Uh-oh.
No.
Neither of you? What's it taste like?
It's like squash. I don't know.
It's weird. I don't know what it
It's
tastes like.
cold.
It's cold.
Oh yeah, it just came out of the fridge.
So when we were cutting into it, we remarked that it looked a lot like a gourd, whether that be like apricot, not an apricot,
Apricot.
no, squash. They look like squash, and it kind of tastes like a sweet squash, which is kind of bizarre and trippy.
I like squash, but I don't like sweet squash.
Yeah, no, that one's weird. Yeah, maybe ours isn't in season. If anybody looks at our papaya and says, "Oh my God, no, that one is too wah wah wah," let us know so we can try papaya again. Because I think, as it stands, papaya is a bit of a miss, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty, well, hey, you know what's most important though?
What?
That we try new things, right?
Right.
Cool. So where else can people find our show if they're interested?
CookingWithAbbey.com.
Or on
YouTube.
Yay! See you next week!
See you
See you next
week.
time. Bye.